Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability. Okay, so in this chapter today we are going to solve the illustration number 11 to 14. Okay, so now we are common to the illustration number 11. Illustration number 11 that if two balanced coin are tossed, yes, if two balanced coin are tossed, then find the probability. We have to find the probability for which, for first one is that getting one head and one tail. Yes, we have to find the probability getting one head and one tail, and the second one is that getting at least one head. Okay, if we toss a two balanced coin, then how many possible outcome will become? 4. Yes, and it is our sample space. Yes, so sample space U is equal to, if we toss a two balanced coin, then the element of the sample space is H, yes, HT, TH and TT. Yeah, so there is total 2 possible outcome. Yes, okay, and possible outcome is denoted by N. Yes, sorry, there is 4 possible outcome. Which one is that? HH, HT, TH and TT. So possible outcome is denoted by N. Yes, so here N is equal to 4. Okay, yes. Now we have to find the number of favorable outcome. Okay, event A is the getting one head and one tail. Yes, suppose event A is the getting one head and one tail on it. Yes, then our favorable outcome will be, so that favorable outcomes is, which is it? Favorable outcome, and the event A is there. So our favorable outcome will be getting one head and one tail. वन हेड होना चाहिए एंड वन टेल होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं वन हेड है, वन टेल है, वन टेल है एंड वन हेड है. यस, आवर फेवरेबल आउटकम विल बी HT एंड TH. Yes, so how many our favorable outcome? Number of the favorable outcome is that number of favorable outcome is 2. Yes, and number of favorable outcome is denoted by M. Yes, so M is equal to 2. Yes, now we have to find the probability of this condition. So the probability of the event A, it is denoted by P of A, is equal to M by N. Yes, M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 4. So it is 0.5. Clear? Done? Okay, now we are going to the second question. Second question is that getting at least one head. Okay, getting at least one head. Okay, for both event our possible outcome will be same. Yes, U is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT, and our possible outcome means the N is equal to 4. Number of the possible outcome, N is equal to 4. Yes, why? Because in both event we toss a two balanced coin. Yes, but now we have to find the number of favorable outcome. Okay, event A, here event B is the getting at least one head. कम से कम एक हेड आना चाहिए, क्लियर? ओके, सो दैट फेवरेबल outcomes will be, okay, so event B is equal to, okay, event B is that getting at least one head, कम से कम एक हेड होना चाहिए, कम से कम एक हेड, यहाँ पे दो हेड है, चलेगा, यस चलेगा, सो H एंड T में एक हेड है, यस चलेगा, ओके, तो H एंड T एंड H में एक हेड है, यस है, तो आएगा यस, T एंड T में एक भी हेड नहीं है, तो ये नहीं आएगा, क्लियर? सो दिस इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस इवेंट बी, ओके। नाउ हाउ मेनी फेवरेबल आउटकम? देयर इज 3 favorable outcomes, yes, okay, so m is equal to, so that m is equal to 3, okay. Now we have to find the probability of event B. So the probability of event B, it is denoted by P of B is equal to m by n, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4, yes. So this is the our probability for event B. Write down it, okay, done, okay. Now we are going to solve the illustration number 12. Illustration number 12 is that two balanced dice marked with number 1 to 6 are thrown simultaneously, yes, then find the probability of these 6 event. Okay, first one, if we throw two balanced dice with number 1 to 6, then our sample space u is equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, then 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, then 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 5 sorry 4 4 4 5 4 6, yes, then 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6, then 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and last one is the 6 6. Okay, so this is the our possible outcome, yes. And how many it will be? It will be 36, yes. So our m is equal to, sorry, our n is equal to total number of possible outcome will be 36, yes, for all event, yes. And first event is that sum of number on the both dice, sum of numbers on both dice is 7, yes. कौन से एलिमेंट आएंगे? 1 and 6 is 7, yes. Then 5 and 2 is 7, yes. Then 3 and 4 is 7, then 4 and 3 is 7, then 5 and 2 is 7, yes. Then 6 and 1 is 7, yes. So here total favorable outcome will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, yes. So there is 6 total 6 favorable outcomes for event A1, okay. चलो, and which is it? A1 is equal to 1 6, then 2 5, yes. Sum is 7, yes. Then 3 4, then 4 3, then 5 2 and 6 1. So this is the our favorable outcomes. Okay, and how many it will be? It will be 6. Yes, so that m is equal to 6. Yes, we have to find the probability of this event. So the probability of event A1 is equal to m by n. M is equal to 6 and n is equal to total possible outcome is equal to 36. Yes, so it is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now event 2 is that sum of number on both dice is more than 10. Yes, more than 10. सम कैसा होना चाहिए? 10 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. So here how many possible outcome will be obtained? 10 से ज़्यादा तो 1 6 7 होगा. ओके, देन 2 6 8 होगा, 3 6 9 होगा, नहीं, देन 4 and 6 10 होगा, लेकिन 10 नहीं लेना है, 10 से ज़्यादा लेना है. यस, तो 4 6 वाला भी नहीं आएगा. देन 5 and 5 10 आएगा, लेकिन 10 नहीं लेना है. 10 से ज़्यादा मतलब कि 11 and 12 आना चाहिए. तो 5 and 6, यस, सो 5 and 6, then 6 and 5 and 6 and 6. Yes, so for this event our favorable outcome will be 3. Yes, there is 3 favorable outcomes for event A2. Yes, 3 favorable outcome means m is equal to 3. Yes, and it will be okay, sorry, m is A2 is equal to, element is that 5 and 6. Yes, then 6 and 5. Yes, then 6 and 6. Clear? So that m is equal to 3. Yes, now we have to find the probability of event A2. Probability of event A2 is equal to m by n. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 36. So it will be 1 by 12. Done? Okay. Now event 3. Event 3 is that sum of number on both the dice at the most 4. At the most 4. Most 4 मतलब के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 होना चाहिए. सम है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 होना चाहिए, 4 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, सो द our favorable outcome will be 1 and 2 will be considered. Yes, sorry, 1 and 1. Yes, sum is 2 and it is less than 4. 1 and 2. Yes, 3. 1 and 3. Yes, 1 and 3. Sum of 1 and 3 is equal to 4 and we have to consider 4. Yes, because our sum is at the most 4. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 4 होना चाहिए, 4 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, तो 4 है वो इंक्लूडेड है. सो 1 and 3 इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, देन 2 and 1. यस, 2 and 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, देन 3 and 1. यस, ओके, सो आवर फेवरेबल आउटकम विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. यस, सो देयर इज total 6 favorable outcomes for event A3. Yes, and which is it? Outcome will be 1 and 1, 1 1, 1 2, then 1 3, then reverse it, 2 1, then 2 2 also. Yes, and the 3 1. Yes, how many are favorable outcome? 6. Yes, so that m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 36. So the probability of event A3 is equal to m by n. M is equal to 6 and n is equal to 36. So it will be 1 by 6. Done? Okay, write down it. Okay. And fourth event is that both dice shown same number. Okay, so the our favorable outcome will be 6. Same number means 1 1, 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. So there is a total 6 favorable outcome. There is total 6 favorable outcomes for event A4. Okay, and it will be event A4 is equal to 1 1, sorry, same number means 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, and last one is 6 and 6. Yes, so here total favorable outcome will be 6, so that m is equal to 6. Yes, now we have to find the probability of event A4. Probability of event A4 is equal to m by n. M is equal to 6 and n is equal to 36. So it will be 1 by 6. Clear? 1 by 6. Okay. Now event 5. Event 5 is that sum of number on both dias is 1. Sum of number on the both dias is 1. सम है वो एक ही आना चाहिए. 1 + 1 इज इक्वल टू 2. यस, तो कभी भी हमारा सम है वो 1 आएगा, 1 नहीं आएगा, 2 और 12 के बीच में आएगा. मिनिमम सम इज 2 एंड मैक्सिमम सम इज 12. यस, सो वी कांट गेट द सम ऑफ टू नंबर ऑन द बोथ डायस इज 1. यस, सो फॉर दिस इवेंट नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम विल बी 0. यस, फॉर दिस we can't get sum of numbers on both dias is 1, so that number of favorable outcomes will be 0. Means m is equal to 0. So now we have to find the probability of event A5. Yes, and is equal to m by n. M is equal to 0, n is equal to 36, so the possibility is 0. Yes, chalo, now event 6 is sum of numbers on both the dias is 12 or less. 12 और 12 से कम होना चाहिए. ओके, 12 और 12 से कम होना चाहिए. तो हाईएस्ट सम कितना है? 12 है. यस, और ये सभी इवेंट है उसका सम 12 से कम है. Yes, so our total possible outcome, it is equal to the total, our total favorable outcome, it is equal to the total possible outcome. Yes, so in this case for event A6, our total favorable outcomes is equal to the total possible outcome. Clear? So total possible outcome is equal to 36, so our favorable outcome will be also 36, so m is equal to 36. Yes, so the probability of the event A6 is equal to m by n. M is equal to 36 and also n is equal to 36, so it is equal to 1. This probability of event C is equal to 1. Clear? Okay, done. Write down it. Okay, now we are going to solve the illustration number 13. Illustration number 13 is the probability of getting R in the first place. Yes, our event is the getting R in the first place. In all possible arrangement of each and every letters of Rutva. Yes, there is a 5 letters. There is total 5 letters, which is R, U, T, V, A in Rutva. Yes, okay, so we can arrange these 5 letters different way. Yes, and there is a different spelling. So how many spelling will be obtained by arranging these 5 letters? Yes, and this is the our total possible outcome. Yes, our possible outcome is the arranging of these 5 letter in the different way. How many times we can arrange these 5 letters in different way, and this is the our possible outcomes. Okay, so now we have to find the our possible outcome. Okay, and these 5 letters, these 5 letters can be arranged by 5p5a. 5p5a. What is the meaning of the 5p5? What is the meaning of the 5p5? 5p5 means there is a 5p5 means there is a 5, so we have to write 5. Then decreasing order means 4, then decreasing order means 3, then decreasing order means 2, then 1. Okay, how many number it will be? 5. Yes, and it will be decided by this number. There is a 5 means there is total number is 5, and we have to start with the 5. Okay, and next example, if 5p4 means 5p4, we have to start with 5. Yes, then 4, then 3, and then 2. Yes, there is a total number is 4. Yes, here is 4, so there is total number will be 4, and we have to start with the 5. Yes, and we have to do multiplication in decreasing order. Okay, descending order. Okay, clear? Now 5p3 means 5 multiplied by 4 and multiplied by 3. Yes, okay, there is a total 3 number, and it is decided by this number. Okay, and we have to start with the 5. Suppose if there is a 5p2, then 4p2, then we have to start with the 4. Yes, multiply by 3. Yes, and there is a 2. 2 means this number, there is a total 2 number, and we have to start with the 4. Okay, so this is the meaning of the p. Okay, so 5p5a. Yes, and these 5 letters can be arranged by 5p5a, so that our possible outcome number of possible outcomes n is equal to 5p5. Yes, and 5p5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 1. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, 20 into 3 is equal to 60, 60 into 2 is equal to 120, 120 into 1 is equal to 120. Yes, so that we can arrange this 5 letter by at 120 way. Okay, but our event is that, our event E is that, event A is that getting R in the first place, getting R in the first place. Okay, ये RTUV रुतवा है, उसमें से हम कितने स्पेलिंग बना सकते हैं? 120 स्पेलिंग बना सकते हैं, लेकिन हमको कैसे स्पेलिंग बनाना है कि जहां पे पहला जो लेटर है वो आर ही होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट प्लेस इज द आर. यस, ओके, यहाँ पे कितने लेटर है? टोटल 5 नंबर है. यस, 1 2 3 4 एंड 5, लेकिन हमको आर को है वो पहले बॉक्स में लिखना है. यस, पहले लिखना है, और बाकी के जो 4 लेटर है U T V N A. यस, दिस लेटर कैन बी अरेंज्ड दिस रेस्ट ऑफ प्लेसेस, रेस्ट ऑफ 4 प्लेसेस. यस, so that R can be arranged in first place. Yes, we have to write R in the first place. R can be arranged in the first place by 1p1 way. 1p1 way. Yes, 1p1 way. Why we write the 1p1? Yes, because there is a letter is 1. Yes, and there is a place is also 1. Yes, so we can write r, we can arrange r in the first place by 1p1. Okay, now we have to arrange rest of 4 letters in remaining 4 places. Yes, so rest of 4 letters arranged in remaining 4 places by, okay, there is a 4 letter. Yes, and how many places? 4. Yes, so it can be arranged by 4p4 way. Yes, 4p4 way. Clear? Okay, so now we have to find the number of favorable outcome. We already find the number of possible outcome, but now we have to find the number of favorable outcome m. Okay, so that number of favorable outcome, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1p1 multiply by 4p4. Clear? Okay, 1p1 means 1. Yes, and multiply by 4p4. 4p4 means 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 and multiply by 1. Yes, clear it? Okay, done. Chalo, so the answer is that 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. Yes, the number of the possible favorable outcome will be 24 and it is denoted by m. Yes, so our probability is P of A. Probability is the P of event A is equal to m by n. What is the m? M is equal to 24 and n is equal to 120. Yes, so it will be 1 by 5. Yes, 1 by 5. Clear? Write down it. Okay, done. Okay, now we are going to solve the illustration number 14. Illustration number 14 is that for male employee will be 4 and 2 female employee will be 2. Working in a government department are sent by one instant to the training center of training. Yes, okay, and find the probability that 2 female employees go successively for the training. Okay, we have to send one employee out of total 4 plus 2 means 6 employee. Yes, we have to send one employee out of 4 plus 2 means 6 employee, but our event is that 2 female employee go successively for the training. यस कि एक फीमेल के बाद दूसरी फीमेल जानी चाहिए, उसके बाद एक फीमेल जाती है तो उसके बाद मेल नहीं जाना चाहिए. क्लियर? एक फीमेल के बाद दूसरी फीमेल जानी चाहिए. ओके ओके, देयर इज अ टोटल 6 एम्प्लॉय एंड वी कैन send these 6 employee by the 6 way. Yes, there is total 6 employee and these are sent one by one by 6p6 way. 6p6 way. Clear? So we can find the number of total possible outcome. Thus total number of possible outcome yes, and it is denoted by n. N is equal to 6p6. 6p6 means 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 1. Yes, there is a total number is 6 and it is from these 6. Okay, now we do multiplication and then the answer is the 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 30 into 4 is equal to 120. Okay, 120 into 3 360 into 2 means 720. Yes, so our total possible outcome will be 720. Now we have to get the total favorable outcome. But our event is that event A is that 2 female employees go successfully for the training. 2 female employee go successively for the ट्रेनिंग. ओके, चलो यहाँ पे टोटल कितने एम्प्लॉय है? टोटल 4 + 2 मीन्स 6 एम्प्लॉय है. यस, देन 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 ओके, सॉरी 5 and 6. यस, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो 6 एम्प्लॉय है उसमें से 4 मेल है. यस, तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि 4 मेल एंड मेल. यस, ओके, सॉरी यहाँ पे टोटल 4 मेल और 2 फीमेल मीन्स 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. ओके, एंड 2 फीमेल है. यस, सो देयर इज 2 फीमेल. ओके, बट 2 फीमेल एम्प्लॉय गो सक्सेसिवली. यस, कि एक फीमेल जाती है तो उसके बाद दूसरी फीमेल जानी चाहिए, तो दोनों फीमेल है वो एक साथ रहेंगी. यस, कि एक के बाद एक जाएगी. क्लियर? तो इसको हम एक ही पर्सन कहते हैं. ये अब हम एक ही पर्सन कहते हैं. तो टोटल पर्सन कितने हुए? 1 2 3 4 and 5. यस, सो वी कैन अरेंज दिस 5 numbers by 5p5. Yes, by 5p5. Okay, and we arrange the 2 female alternatively by 2p2. Clear? यस, ये दोनों फीमेल को भी हम अरेंज कर सकते हैं कि ये फीमेल पहले ये फीमेल जाती है बाद में ये फीमेल जाती है. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि पहले ये फीमेल जाए बाद में ये फीमेल जाए. यस, तो दिस इज अरेंज्ड बाय 2p2 वे. यस, ओके, and this 5 person which is 1 2 3 4 and this 2 female is as a 1 person, so total number of person is 5. Yes, and this 2 female is arranged by over here, male will be at last. Clear? So this is arranged by 5p5a. Okay, clear? Okay, so the total favorable outcome, total number of favorable outcomes, yes, and it is denoted by m, is equal to 5p5 and multiply by 2p2. 5p5 means 5 multiply by 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 and multiply by 1. Clear? And 2p2 means 2 and multiply by 1. Okay, now 4 into 5 is equal to 20 into 3 60 into 2 120 into 2, so it is equal to 24. Yes, so this is our number of favorable outcome is equal to 240. Clear? So the possibility of event A, probability of event A, P of A is equal to m by n. Yes, m is equal to 240 and n is equal to 730. Okay, so it will be 1 by 3. Yes, so this is the probability of this event. Done? Write down it. Okay, write down it. Done it? Okay, so keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.